Do you think people will like our song, Boba Baby?
I hope so. We worked really hard on it.
Before we hit upload, maybe we should add a clear call to action.
A call to action?
It's one simple sentence that tells viewers exactly what to do next.
Oh, like giving them directions?
Exactly.
Like, type when in the comments to get details on minting the Boba Cup drop.
Better yet, type when to get on the exclusive allow list for the Boba drop.
Ooh. Wait, what's an allow list?
Since the Boba Cup drop is limited to 10,000 cups, an allow list spot guarantees you'll get a chance to mint one.
It's like reserving your place in line before doors open.
That's genius! Okay, team, let's upload this Boba Baby. Utili-Tea? What do Boba Cup holders get? Oh no! Boba Baby was supposed to attract a community. Loyal customers. People who love the story. But instead, it attracted econs looking for a deal.
Not necessarily. These are early adopters.
Early adopters?
People who get excited about something new and enjoy being the first try.
They lean in early because they see potential. We created a moment with the Boba Baby song.
And you're offering a unique experience with minting Boba Cups.
That forms a community that's excited.
Inspired!
Sadly, I haven't thought about what comes next.
That makes it more exciting.
And unpredictable.
Which means we get to design it together. Let's get started. But first, it's very important to only promise things we can actually deliver.
If you overpromise,
You lose trust.
And once you lose trust,
You lose your community.
Then we build it the right way, together!